Welcome to Showesome Recorder. In this quick demo, you'll learn how to record your screen, camera, and audio in Chrome in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Open Showesome from the Chrome toolbar. Click the extension icon to begin. In the pop-up, choose Screen plus Camera, your screen and webcam together. Select your microphone, built-in, headset, or USB. Say a few words and watch the audio meter react. That means your mic is working. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Chrome opens its Share dialog. Choose Entire Screen for full coverage. Enable System Audio if you want app sounds or meeting audio in the recording. Click Share. Recording starts with your mic settings. You're live. Your screen, camera, and audio are all capturing. Your camera appears as a bubble. Drag it anywhere so it doesn't cover important UI. Ready in seconds. Screen, camera, and audio with Showesome Recorder. Free in Chrome. No watermark.